Okay, here is the CURT harness. See, it's taking the yellow brown signal from the spots 1 and 2. And here is the stock harness that would plug into. And I'll show you what signals are coming off that. Right now we have the running light on, so you see the lamp is on. And brake. So brake is giving me signal off the third hole, which that harness is only taking 1 and 2. And nothing off the first hole. And off brake, left blinker. Now with left blinker on, I'm getting a signal here on the first hole. Keep going. And also on the third hole. And brake at the same time. And with brake on at the same time, still doing the same thing. Got my running light and 2 lights blinking. And just the brake. And again, with just the brake, nothing on the first hole, still my running light in the second hole, and solid light in the third hole.